2 years ago, OctoClean had just over 400 subscribers. 400 unique individuals who clicked on that subscribe button and became part of our OctoClean YouTube family. It may not seem like much, but to us it meant the world. Their support pushed us to go the extra mile, to create more engaging content, and to connect with our audience on a deeper level. Today, I'm thrilled to share that we've crossed the 10,000 subscriber mark, and we're not slowing down anytime soon. Our mission is to transform the industry, and we need as many people as possible to join us on this journey. For us, it's not about the numbers. We've been around for over 30 years, and what matters most is you, our viewers. With you joining us and engaging with our content, you're helping make our lifelong goal a reality. You're helping us shift the way that people perceive janitorial cleaners, and you're helping draw attention to how detail-oriented and valuable our industry is. I want to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you who hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us. And a big shout out to our dedicated team at OctoClean for their hard work in achieving this milestone. As we look ahead, our sights are set on reaching 100,000 subscribers. For now, thank you for being part of our journey. We truly appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you later.